Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do this kind of like quick, like no edit thing, live YouTube recording, because it seems that's the only way I'm gonna post videos right now. I don't know. I just can't get to editing. So really quick update before I lose all my light. I don't think I put this on my channel yet. I posted it on my Instagram a little bit, high speed imagery on Instagram. Um, but I went to a buddy's wedding up north, and my car was broken into, and a bunch of my stuff was stolen. So I'll kind of just leave it at that. Um, so I kind of had to rush. Luckily, my goggles, my transmitter, I had those with me in the room, and my whoop. So anyway, but um, I kind of had to rush to get my backup going again. Um, and I didn't even really rush. I was sort of bummed out for a minute. It was, kind of understandable. But I finally got this thing ripping. Um, right now, it's got an Asgard all-in-one, 20 amp ESCs. These are the DYS Samguk Way 2600 kV. Right now, I'm running these Racecraft. They're 5038 two blades, and they scream, but they're, I mean, I'm digging them right now. I'm not hating them at all. Everything else on this thing is still the same. I do have a new run cam to swap out for this cheap Eachine camera. I just haven't put it in yet. But I guess this is like a really quick, rough review because I just got a new pack again. I haven't bought one of these in a minute. But this is a Venom graphene. It's a 4S 1500 milliamp 90C. And every one of these Venom packs I've had so far have just whooped ass. This is probably my oldest one. If you can see that. This thing is beat and abused. It's got well over 100 cycles on it. I got this thing in February this year, 2018. It's now September, mid-September. This thing got lost in the middle of the yard field for like 4 days in the sun, just out in the dirt. Like one time, like, and it's still. I mean, it's not anything like a brand new one, but it still goes. But this thing on this setup right now, I'm getting like 4.5 minutes of like ripping this thing. So I paid my money for this. This wasn't given to me by any means. But I gotta say, these Venom batteries, I'm quite pleased with them. My other Electrons, they're good batteries, but honestly, I don't know if it's just the difference between the graphene and the regular lipos, because this one's not a graphene, and this one's always ripped pretty good too. But yeah, that's where it's at. So there's a quick little update. I'm gonna try and squeeze one more pack in because I think that's about all I got the light for. Yeah, so that's the quad I'm running at the moment. Still got same transmitter and goggles and all that noise. Yeah. All right, guys. Catch you later.